Hey, poor guy outdoor cooking. Check this out. Flame Glow, $42. Okay, so Flame Glow is kind of like, well, it's a Dollar General brand, basically. I got this from a Dollar General. And kind of like Expert Grill is to Walmart, this Flame Glow brand is what you'll find at Dollar General. They carry different products, so I had to check this out. So it's a 21.5-inch kettle grill. Here's all the features to it. So automatically looking at it, you're thinking that kind of looks like a Weber kettle, right? Well, that's what it looks like to me. $42. I think pretty much the cheapest Weber kettle you can buy is probably that Jumbo Joe from Walmart for like $100. I did notice one thing. So I looked at this at one Dollar General, and I saw the same one at another Dollar General. This one was $42. The one at the other Dollar General was $55. And I'm thinking, that's the exact same thing from one store to the next. How can that be? So I was looking at the box. Not that you can really see it, but there's a sticker here. All right, get some information. That's the store number. And check it out. 6302. So this is from 2002. And I did talk to the store manager about this later, and that's indeed what happened here. So the difference in the price of 42 to 55 is basically 2 years. So this one store was sitting on this grill for 2 years. The other store had just gotten it in. So it's $55 more. I'm just saying. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. We're going to do an unboxing. And then I'm going to do an assembly. And I'm sorry, man. We're out here, and there is a lot going on today. It's a Saturday mid-morning. It's a beautiful day. They're calling for severe weather. So people are a little freaky today. People are cutting their lawn. Got hillbillies across the street staring at us. It's just an awkward situation for us today, but we'll get through it. All right, let's check this out. Well, I wouldn't say it's completely neatly packed, but let's see what we got. Oh, there's our legs. And this one comes with 4 legs, I believe. Put that back in here because it is windy. Yeah, you got 2 legs in the front, 2 legs in the back. There's our cooking grate. Not anything fancy, right? Just looks like a steel one. This is for the rack for the bottom, little holding tray. And then we got our kettle and some other stuff. Whoopsie. Okay, let's see what we got. There's a wheel. There's I'm guessing a damper, probably for the bottom, maybe. There's your charcoal grate. Made in China. This ain't no Old Smoky. Made in America, I can tell you that. Right? There's a wheel. There's some instructions. There's a hook or something. Some handles. There's a little damper for the top. Bunch of screws. Let's take a look. That's the bottom. Pardon the noise. Put that stuff in there. There's the bottom. Not real heavy. $42. If I would have bought it at the other store, it would have been $55, so I got a good deal. So really what I'm going to get at is I'm going to build this thing. And today I'm going to build it in supersonic fast motion. And I'm going to fire it up and do a little seasoning, a little burn off. And then next week, I'm going to cook something on it. So, you know, I'm not too worried about it being a charcoal grill because it'll be fine, right? How long it lasts, we don't know. If I have this in a year, I'll do another video. What I want to try to do, because a lot of people, what they do on their Weber kettles or any other brand kettle, is try to do smoking low and slow. And I'm going to try that, and that'll be next week. Something simple, but as far as it goes today, that's our unboxing of our Dollar General Flame Glow 21.5-inch kettle. Hell yeah. Porcelain enamel finish for durability and easy cleaning. Heat resistant bakelite handles. Top and bottom air vents. Removable ashtray. Bam. Easy rolling rears. And assembly instructions, safety guide. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna put this thing together, and then I'm gonna fire it up. I'm gonna throw just some charcoal in there and get it. I don't know, get it going. I want to put a little temperature probe in there and see how long it lasts and what it does, and then cook on it next week. So yeah, let me get stuff set up, and I'll do a super fast motion of my my build. All right, peace. Hey, we got it built. Our flame glow kettle style charcoal grill. Okay, look it was kind of a pain in the butt. There's a lot of small parts, and I'll tell you one thing, these edges are sharp. So if you do ever buy one of these, be careful. They're not razor sharp, but they're sharp enough where they will hurt. Okay, so there it is. It looks like your basic kettle. There's your vent down in the bottom, okay, your legs and your little cart on the bottom, which really won't hold anything. There is a hook, so you can set your lid there. Real light. It's super light. One thing I will show you here, because you get what you pay for, right? $42. Now these handles are just plastic, and as I tried to tighten everything up, it broke. So this handle is of no use. This is the handle where you would pull for the wheels, so I might just go ahead. Am I going to get a replacement handle? Am I going to do any mods to it? Absolutely not. I might just replace those two, so if I did need to roll it, but that's what happens. So if you do buy one of these, only finger tighten it. Do not put, and that was really the only problem. The top handle wasn't the problem, but this one just snapped, and the legs were fine. Okay, so it's not sturdy. It's not real sturdy, as you can see. Everything's tightened up. It's super light, so our handle's even necessary? Probably not. So the next step basically is a charcoal grill. Yeah, it'll work, right? You throw your charcoal in there and cook up your hot dogs, hamburgers, whatever. It's going to be fine. What I would like to know is, can you go low and slow on it? Can you smoke something on it? And I'm gonna try to attempt that next week, depending on how things go today. So the next part of the video, I'm actually just gonna pour some charcoal in it. I'm gonna put my thermometer inside and monitor the temperature, see if I can go low and slow, mess with the vents a little bit, and see how long it lasts. It's windy today. It's warm, but it is windy, so that will have an effect on it. So it's kind of a perfect test to it. So come on back. We'll get things set up and see how this flame glow from Dollar General does. PoorGuy style, of course. Peace. Hey, okay, let's finish off this video, our review. Okay, I want to show you. I put about a quarter of a charcoal chimney worth of just Kingsford lump, or not lump, but briquettes. So 162. So this final test of this was just to pour some charcoal in there and see how it held temperatures, because like I said before, you can grill on it, no problem. But can you smoke on it? Can you do low and slow? which I'm hoping to do next week in next week's video. So once I learned it a little bit and dialed it in between this vent and the bottom, um, it's a little high for smoking, but I don't think it makes that big of a difference because we're just gonna smoke a turkey breast next week. So let me just show you. Okay, so that's really what we started with. Just some kinks for, like I said, it was quarter to half a chimney, dialed in vents, no big deal. So that part of it seems okay. As far as smoking, I'm going to tell you that this is definitely not built for longevity. Um, and you already saw the handle, how the handle broke when I tightened that up. So $42, I don't know. I don't know. Only time will tell. And I'll use it a few more times, or I'll sell it at a garage sale for 20 bucks maybe. Honestly, from preliminary tests, I wouldn't pay more than 30 bucks for this. 25 maybe. But let's see how it does next week when we actually try to cook something on it, smoke something on it. We're just going to do a turkey breast, a boneless turkey breast, because it's easy, not too time consuming. So yeah, that's it. Our Dollar General Flame Glow kettle style $42 grill thing. Oh, and by the way, this ash can tray thing is a piece of crap. It's gonna, every time you try to pull that out, the ashes are gonna fall all over the place. So okay, well, only time will tell, I suppose. Thanks for watching. Peace.